dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life. Oh no, let's go! Don't lie. Wherever you're in, take a look around. At least you got a friend. Come on, lady. Your friendly world. Pick up the phone, dropped it on the floor. It's all I heard. How we gonna see everything? Oh no, let's go quick. Let's get enough. Let's look for the perfect minute to you. We have to hit each other. Let's go! Come on, baby. Are y'all ready to get nuts tonight? Let me hear you scream.
We were told in 40 years it's never rained in a Super Bowl, don't worry about it. So that went well. We were up in a booth at the top of the stadium, and the rain is pouring into the booth. It was so windy and rainy we couldn't even see.
I was just panicked. Prince was using 4 separate live electric guitars. The stage was made out of a very slick tile, which when it got wet was even more slippery. He had 2 beautiful dancers with him, the twins, okay? They were wearing, I think, 8-inch heels. And I was just saying, oh my God, what's going to happen now?
Count it. All along the watchtower, Princess kept a view, while the women came and wept, barefoot servants too.
That Prince set is so wild. He does other people's songs. He's not promoting himself. He's just making music. It's profound, and it's loud, and it's funky, and it's just one performer shaking the entire world.
It felt surprising, it felt spontaneous. Whatever script you might have had in your head for, okay, here's what he's gonna do, he didn't do that. Musically, it felt very loose. He played big, epic Prince-style guitar solos. You know, turning the bad weather to his dramatic advantage. It was almost like a special effect. He could totally lean into that and make it seem like, sure, it's raining, of course I would have wanted it to rain. Like, I ordered that.
By the time we got to the end of the set, when he did do Purple Rain, that was one of those times where things just worked magically, and there's nothing you can do but just say thank you.
I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing, babe. Only wanna see you laughing, yeah. In the purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. That's alright. Come on, y'all. Purple rain, purple feel good. Only wanna see you, see you. Can I play this guitar?
To me, it's about one guy in the middle of 100,000 people and 100 million people on television. And it's your moment to be Prince at the Super Bowl. And Mother Nature is dropping thousands and thousands of gallons of rain. I always thought how cool the guy is to rise up and just get stormed upon and just bring what he brought. That was so special.